To use a Walmart gift card online through your mobile phone, start by opening the Walmart app. Once the app is open, tap on the card icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will display all the items you've added to your cart. Next, tap on the Continue to Checkout option, which is typically found in a blue box. This will take you to a page with payment and product information. Scroll down to the Payment Methods section, where you'll find options to pay with a card, among other methods. Since you want to use a gift card, look for the gift card option in the list of available cards. Enter your gift card number in the provided box, making sure it's correct. After entering the gift card number, tap on the Save Card option to proceed with the transaction using the gift card. This process allows you to redeem your gift card by purchasing a product directly through your mobile phone.